Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on that device. So first, let's open the settings and then tap to the sounds. After that, here you'll see a ring, vibration and silent mode. Just to activate silent mode, you should switch ring to silent. And by the same way, you can turn off silent mode by switch it to the ring. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should press up or down volume button, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Click here twice on the bell icon, and now we can see that our calls and notifications will be muted. So this means that the silent mode is turned on successfully. If you want to turn it off, by the same way, click once but only once on the bell icon, and now our calls and notifications, they will ring. Also, I have the third way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and to turn on or turn off the silent mode, you should use this ring icon. Just click twice here, and now silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click only once on the silent mode icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.